Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Airtable mobile for form submissions and view filters. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Airtable mobile, start by unlocking your mobile device. Navigate to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad. For Android users, open the Google Play Store instead. In the search bar, type Airtable. Press the search icon or hit enter. Locate the Airtable app in the search results. Ensure it's the official app developed by Airtable. Tap on the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Airtable app. Log in using your existing Airtable account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the app. Once logged in, you will see your workspaces and bases. To submit forms, navigate to the base that contains your forms. Tap on the appropriate table where the form is located. Look for the form view you want to submit data to. Tap on the form to open it. Fill in the required fields with the relevant information. Once completed, submit the form by tapping the Submit button. To view specific filters in your tables, navigate to the desired table. Tap on the filter icon usually located at the top right corner. Select the criteria you want to filter by. Adjust the settings as needed to refine your view. Once you've set the filters, tap the Apply button. Your table will now display data according to your selected filters. Explore the Airtable app to discover other features that might enhance your experience. Familiarize yourself with navigating through bases and views for efficient data management. Use the Help section within the app for any additional questions. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded Airtable Mobile and learned how to use it for forms and filters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.